What's up, everybody? Welcome. This is the GYO Grow Your Own Piano course. I go by Cilantro. This course is geared towards those who want to learn how to improvise, communicate, jam with people, play sort of what's called commercial music, often jazz. If you'd like to learn classical technique, there are a lot of other excellent courses out there. I'm going to put some links below to really great teachers who will share all kinds of tried and tested techniques. Our approach is a little bit more abstract and practical. It grows out of myself having been a jazz musician who didn't start on the piano and never had any classical training. So I'm self-taught, and therefore I thought about things a little bit differently than most classically trained people did. So if you're interested at all in jamming with people, this is the course for you. If you're not, it will still possibly be helpful for you. If you teach piano, it might give you a new ways of thinking about things that sort of staid classical approaches might not have. As you can see, we're live, and I'm gonna keep the scars and all on these initial videos. So welcome. Let's get started.